Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from bankruptcy with Credit Karma, full guide step by step clearly. Recovering from bankruptcy can be a challenging journey, but with the right tools, you can rebuild your financial future. First, create or log in to your Credit Karma account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to access your credit report. Regularly check your credit report for any inaccuracies that may affect your credit score. Dispute any errors you find by following the prompts on Credit Karma. Next, focus on understanding your current credit score. Credit Karma provides personalized insights based on your score, which can help you make informed decisions. Consider opening a secured credit card to begin rebuilding your credit. Make small purchases on this card and pay them off in full each month to demonstrate responsible credit usage. Additionally, pay all your bills on time. Timely payments contribute positively to your credit history, which is crucial for rebuilding. Stay within your credit limits on existing accounts to maintain a good credit utilization ratio. Monitor your credit score regularly using Credit Karma's tools to track your progress. Consider applying for a credit builder loan if available through local financial institutions. These loans are designed to help individuals build or improve their credit history. Be patient, as rebuilding your credit takes time, often several months to years. Stay disciplined and consistent with your financial habits to ensure lasting recovery. Finally, continue to educate yourself on managing credit and finances for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.